I wake up for Fajr. I wake up for Fajr. I say Assalamu alaikum. I say Assalamu alaikum. I make my wudu. I make my wudu. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. I roll out the prayer mat. I roll out the prayer mat. I pray my salah. I pray my salah. I read the Quran. I read the Quran. I make a dua. I make a dua. I say Bismillah. I say Bismillah. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink water sitting down. I drink water sitting down. I say Alhamdulillah. I say Alhamdulillah. I smile at my friend. I smile at my friend. I give to charity. I give to charity. I help my family. I help my family. I hear the adhan. I hear the adhan. I go to the mosque. I go to the mosque. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I say good night. I say good night. I sleep on my right side. I sleep on my right side.
Learn English with us.